Hello guys, welcome back to Trading for Beginners, and in this video I am going to show you how to unlock level 0 cards for Hamster Kombat. So without any further ado, let's dive right into this exciting video. Now in order to do that, you just simply have to open your Telegram application and open the Hamster Kombat into there. Now after opening the Hamster Kombat, you will get to see a bunch of options into this homepage. Now you just simply have to tap to this mine option, and after going into the mine option, you will get to see a bunch of cards into here. Now you will get to see the labels just beside the coin required to purchase the card. Now as you can see here, I have the CEO card at 4th level and marketing card at level 4, and similarly IT team at level 0. I have the cards which is logged into here. For example, my TikTok card is logged. Now in order to unlock this card at level 0, you have to follow this instruction that is given just below that card. For example, the instruction for this TikTok card is Hamstergram level 3. Now I have to make Hamstergram to level 3 in order to unlock the TikTok card at level 0. Let me do that real quick. Just simply open Hamstergram now and click to go ahead, and again open the Hamstergram into go ahead, and again open Hamstergram and click to go ahead. Now my Hamstergram is now level 3. My TikTok card is unlocked at level 0. This way you can easily unlock any level 0 cards at Hamster Kombat. I hope this video was helpful for you. If yes, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to the channel to never miss another update. Thank you for watching the video.